If you're one of the few people that tried to make a prediction bot AI trader or a Claude powered trading bot on Solana or something like that, this video is for you. Because just last week, Phantom and DFlow dropped a Claude code skill that you can use to actually do these things in a much easier way. So before it was kind of like figuring it out on your own, where it's like Vibecoding just blew up and like let's do on-chain stuff, and there was like a few things that you can do with it. But now with this skill, you can actually build all of these things and more and have it make money for you. And it's so much better than they used to be like 3 months ago. You can actually do these things. So in this video, let's go over how you, yes, you can make a trading bot or a prediction markets analysis AI something using Claude code and your Openclaw in like 5 minutes. No joke, it's gonna take like less than 10 minutes to do this. So first thing you wanna do is exactly what I did, is that copy this entire article or the link, give it to your Openclaw and tell them, hey, I want to do this thing. Read up on this and see how we can build a trading bot or a prediction markets analysis AI trader, or something that I can use to help me analyze meme coins, or maybe something that users connect their wallet to and get history from. But before you actually build out that thing, talk to your Openclaw a bit more. If you're on Cursor or Replit or whatever, actually vibe coding this yourself, loser. So for the sake of this video, we're going to be building a trading bot, and we're going to be building a website that you can use to help you trade prediction markets better. Talk to your guy. I'm sure he's nice and you made him, so he's got to be some sort of replication of you. He should be great, and like actually plan it out. So you can see here I'm talking to my guy. My guy's actually really funny and really cool. So I told him, this is what we want to do. I want to build a prediction markets analysis website that we can use to better trade prediction markets with. I don't want to actually trade markets on this, but I want to use it for when I'm on Polymarket and stuff like that. And then I want to create an actual trading bot where I just give him money and it trades stuff for me. And we're just going to feed it to them. This part of your prompt is the most important part. Don't just say, build me $1 trillion website that trades and stuff and it's going to be amazing and it's going to take one prompt. I'm going to one-shot it. No, you're not. Take your time with this. Take like 5 minutes. Go through it. Tell it what you want, what you don't want, what you want it to look like, what it should do. Using this skill, can we do this? And then actually like flesh out the entire thing. One of the funniest things the AI does, it'll be like, you want me to build this for real after the video? The bot could be running by tomorrow. Tomorrow? We're doing this shit right now, the next 45 minutes. I don't know what you're talking about. But yeah, you can see here I'm having a conversation with my guy. I actually have 2 Openclaws in here, so they're talking to each other and building this thing out right now. Again, Openclaw, just do it. While my Openclaws are cooking, allow me to just say that a lot of people are in the AI world like hate crypto. I don't know why. I can understand meme coins and stuff like that, but this is simple stuff that you can integrate into your website even if you hate crypto, even if you use Stripe. Stripe accepts stablecoins, guys. So stablecoins is probably the only way that you can give your agent a wallet, a bank account, a yield source, a payment source that isn't your credit card. So as agents and Openclaw and stuff like that becomes more and more autonomous, the only way that you can give it money and know that it's not going to like leak your credit card information is through USDC. So open your mind a little bit to that, and trust me, you can have so much more fun with this stuff. And the reason why we're on Solana doing this is not only because they sponsored this video, Nikita Beer, do not delete my account. The sponsorship is disclosed. Thank you very much. But it's also because Solana now controls 49% of the AI agent micropayment market. So there's only really a few chains that are doing this exceptionally well. Base, Solana, and I believe the Sui also has a lot of cool stuff on there. And if you're doing anything that requires giving your agent a wallet, 50% of the time, you're probably going to be using Solana to do that. So that's why we're doing that here. So just to reiterate what exactly this skill does, I kind of made this landing page for it, what my Openclaw did. Basically, it is a set of guidelines and rules that you feed into whatever it is that's doing this vibe coding for you, so that it knows how to connect everything together. So it doesn't just like guess. Like, it's not really common knowledge on how to do prediction markets or trading bots or payment apps or connecting wallets. It doesn't know how to do KYC. It doesn't know how to wire wallets together. Without the skill, there might have been a lot of errors that you run into that you now just won't run into. So before this skill, a lot of you guys who were doing this exact setup, you might have ran into these errors. You no longer will. So first thing that my Openclaw made with this DFlow Claude skill is an actual assistant AI powered trading terminal for prediction markets. The API here is connected directly to Kalshi. That's what DFlow did here. All of these markets are real, but we're not going to actually trade them on here. We don't need to make a Polymarket competitor, but we're going to be using AI-powered market context and information to help have better trading decisions for the actual prediction markets. So you can see here, this is the normal information, but we made a probability distribution. There's an order book depth. There's a price history that you can look at based on 1 hour, 4 hour, 24 hour AI analysis, confidence level is saying that it's 55% on this level of holding or selling, and it has a lot more information here than Kalshi or Polymarket usually has. And if you plug in actual Claude code into this or an API key for something else, you could have actual AI powered estimations on what you should or shouldn't do in this market and then pay people for it. You can add very quickly on the top right a connect wallet, and the only way that people have access to this is if they pay 5 USDC one time or 5 USDC monthly, whatever it is that you decide, and you can very quickly monetize this entire thing. And the skill that they created helped make this because it gave your Openclaw or your Claude code or whatever the actual guidelines on how to create this website best instead of just like kind of figuring it out on your own. Like I said before, you really can use this skill and create that AI trading bot that automates trades and does all this stuff for you. You really can, but to do it, it's not like that easy. I'm not going to do that in this video. So instead of actually doing it, let's show how you can start that process right now if you haven't done it yet. So you can create a bot, create a wallet, fund that wallet, and then use this skill to actually start trading stuff on your own. And the easiest way that you can do that is just by integrating their API. There's a lot more stuff you need to do, but to start it, it's so much more easier now than it used to be before because of this skill. Number 2, we already did this, prediction markets intelligence. This gets connected directly into Kalshi like we showed you before. And number 3 is an actual DEX. So using DFlow aggregate across like 50 different liquidity venues, you could create an entire swapping feature into your website. It doesn't even need to be a Web3 website. If you really want to offer something to everybody, you can have this being used by agents. You can have your Openclaw go onto a website that you've created just for yourself and be able to have it swap stuff if you'd like. And number 4 is payment gateways. We kind of talked about this before, but let's say that you really do build out this Kalshi AI powered description summary thing that helps you trade prediction markets and you want to pay gate it. You can then have it connect to someone's Phantom wallet, take 5 USDC from it, and then give them the final product. And to actually build this should be really, really simple now. All you need to do is use this, feed it to your Openclaw or feed it into Cursor, and then just build that thing. So yeah, on-chain, Web3, Rust-based, Solana stuff with your Vibecoded anything is becoming much, much easier than it used to be before. If you really do want to create a prediction market AI bot or a trading bot, it is so much more easier to do now than it used to be before because of goats like DFlow and Phantom who have created skills for Claude code to help you do these things. Again, crypto and AI is like one of the most easiest crossovers ever. It's just right now, they're not the best friends in the entire world, but no matter what you say, the easiest way to give agents actual money that can get yield and pay for stuff and have like not credit card based money is USDC with Phantom wallet or any other wallet in the world. So the idea of being able to vibe code something that uses blockchain stuff is something you should definitely be looking into. Whatever that looks like, it's up to you, but now just know you can do it so much more easier.